Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 27 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is Warrior Wednesday. It's our last Warrior Wednesday for the month. So today we will be working on Warrior 3, which is a bit of a balance challenge. So what you'll need today is yourself, your mat, and you can grab 2 yoga blocks. If you do not have blocks, you can use a thick book or a small box, and you can even use a disinfectant wipe can or container. So grab those things and we will get started. So we're going to start in Tadasana at the beginning of the mat or the top of the mat, and I'm just going to have both of my blocks in front of me just so that I can reach them when I need them. So let's stand tall, lift the shoulders up towards your ears, down and back. Stack your ears over your shoulders. And let's take 3 deep breaths here, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And then starting here, we're going to shift our weight to our left foot and then lift the right knee up for a little bit of balance. You can flex that foot. And then you'll start to reach that leg back and then bring the ball of the right foot down so heel is still lifted. And then you can have a bend in the front knee, reaching the arms up, coming into a little bit of a high lunge here. And then inhale as you reach the arms up, exhale as you reach them back, coming into a back bend. And then as you lift back up, we're going to plant the back foot down, straighten the front knee, keeping the upper body facing forward. We're going to reach forward and down, coming into our pyramid pose. And you can stay here with the fingertips on the mat or the hands planted on the mat, or you can grab for your blocks here as well. Feeling the stretch in the calf and the hamstring for the left leg, maybe a little bit in the right. Think about drawing that left hip back and the right hip forward. Inhale as you lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale as you reach that forehead down towards the leg. And then we're going to place our blocks before us. And then you can start to lift that back heel. Bring your hands to your blocks, straighten the left leg, and lift the right leg up as the toes face down. And you can keep that leg in line with your spine. Hold here. If you want to lift the hands off of the blocks and bring them to your heart, you can. Come into our Warrior 3, or you can stay on your blocks. Keeping that right hip facing down, toes facing down. Breathe here. And then slowly bring that back foot down. You can plant the back foot, straighten the leg, bringing the hands down, coming back to our pyramid pose. Inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale, bringing the head down towards the leg. Inhale as you reach the arms forward and up. On the exhale, lift that back heel. And then we're going to bend the front knee and reach the arms back. Coming into our back bend. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale here. And then we're going to step forward, lifting that right leg. And hold. And then bringing the foot down, reaching the arms down, back into our mountain pose. And just reshifting your mountain pose. We're going to do that all on the other side. So standing tall and then shifting the weight into your right leg this time. We're going to lift the left knee, hold for a little balance. And then start to reach the left foot back as you bring the ball of the foot down. Keeping a bend in the front knee, reaching the arms up, coming up for a little bit of a high lunge. Inhale here as you reach the arms up. Exhale as you reach them back, coming for a little back bend. Inhale as you reach all the way up. Plant the back foot down. Exhale as you straighten the front knee. Keeping the upper body facing forward. And then reach forward and down for your pyramid pose. Again, you can keep the fingertips down here, or you can grab your blocks for support. Inhale as you lift the head and the chest. Exhale, bringing the head down towards the leg. Feeling that stretch in the calf and the hamstring in that right leg. A little bit in the left. And then lifting the head, placing the blocks forward. And you can keep your hands on the blocks here. Lift the left leg, start to straighten the right. And then keeping that left hip down, keeping the toes facing down. And you can have that leg in line with the spine here. If you want to lift the hands off of the block, bring the hands to your heart for a little bit of a warrior 3 balance, you can. Or you can come back to your blocks, your choice. Take a breath here. And then slowly bringing that back foot down, planted. We're coming back to our pyramid pose, so keeping that front leg straight, the right leg. Inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale, bringing the head down towards the leg. And then bringing the arms forward and up. Keeping a bend in the front knee here. And then lifting the back heel. Coming to our high lunge again. Inhale here as you reach the arms up. Exhale as you reach the arms back, coming into your back bend. Inhale, standing up. Exhale. And then we're coming forward, lifting the left knee again. Balancing one more time. And then releasing the left hands and the left foot. Shake it out. So from here, we're going to try to do it without our blocks, but we're going to have the blocks there just in case you need a little bit of support. So just having the blocks in front of you like we did before. And standing tall in your mountain pose, we're going to shift the weight to the left leg and then lift the right foot, step it behind you a little bit at a diagonal. Bring your hands to your heart. And then we're going to start to shift our upper body forward as we lift the back leg. So take your time here. Keeping those toes facing down. You can flex the foot here if you want. And you can hold here. Again, the blocks are just for support. So if you feel a little bit wobbly, you need a little bit of stability here, you can grab your blocks. And at any time, you can come back off of your blocks. Remember that this is a practice. And then slowly coming back up, standing tall, and bringing the right foot back. Releasing the hands down by your side, back into mountain pose. And we'll try that again on the other side as well. So this time we're shifting the weight to the right leg. You'll lift the left foot and step it back at a diagonal. Bringing your hands to your heart. You can start to shift your upper body forward as you lift the left leg. Again, you can always come down to your blocks for support, just as we did before. Keeping that right leg straight, keeping the left hip facing down and the toes facing down. And you can always try to balance off of the blocks. Let this be your practice. And then slowly bringing the leg down as we stand up. And then bringing that left leg back to meet the right. Shake it out. And then we'll end here with our 3 rounds of breath. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So lift the shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back. Think about stacking the ears over the shoulders and standing tall. Let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time, let's inhale. And open the mouth and exhale. Thanks for joining me for Warrior Wednesday. I hope that you were able to find a little bit of balance today. And I hope to see you tomorrow for day number 28 of our 30 days of yoga journey.